I launched my first self-published book, hit publish, and waited for sales to roll in. Spoiler alert, they didn't. I quickly realized that writing the book was only half the battle. Selling it was the other. Now, if you're feeling stuck, here are 4 simple and practical ways to sell your first 100 books. Just an earnings disclaimer, I'm not promising that you're going to sell 100 books. You may sell none at all. So your book's already published. The first thing you need to do is optimize your metadata. So that's keywords, sales page, blurbs, description, that kind of thing. Make sure they're all optimized on platforms that you're on. So if you're on KDP, check your 7 backend keywords, because that's really important. Check your description, make sure the sales page is up to scratch. Are you using stuff like A+ content? Make sure that's on. Have you done your author central profile? Make sure that's up to date so people can discover you. Make sure all these things are in place. Optimize this metadata to give you the best chance of people finding you and finding your books. And this can be a little bit of a challenge, especially if you're an introvert like me. You need to let everyone know, okay? Blast it on social media, blast it on your email list, which, by the way, you should have. No matter how small the email list, you need to have one. Preferably before you finish writing your book or during edits or something like that. But, so long as you got an email list, blast it through them as well. Now, when you're posting on social media or email lists, make sure you use some social proof, like if there's reviews, Amazon new or top category badges, that kind of thing. Put that in your email, put that in the social media posts. Encourage readers to be like, ooh, that looks interesting. And maybe they're going to go and check your book out, and maybe they'll even buy it. Once you've put it on blast on social media, come back and tap that like button. It's going to make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Go on, try it. Let me know when you feel all the fuzzy. That leads us to point number 3. You can do prizes or some kind of giveaways for those who purchase your books. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of examples, okay? You could offer some swag or something you want to give away. It doesn't have to be like expensive if you're on a low budget. So it could be like stickers or something, a signature book or something like that, or a custom one, whatever it is. Just have some kind of giveaway that you could offer to people who purchase 1, 2, or multiple copies of your book. Okay, it might be even a one-on-one consultation, some kind of, as I say, signature book thing, your imagination is literally the limit here. Okay, now here's a bonus tip. And the bonus tip is you could even do a reviewer party. Okay, a reviewer party of some kind. So make them feel special. Make the readers feel special. Early buyers, this is what you're going to get if you buy and review my book. This is a very common marketing technique. And you don't have to say, if you liked my book, post a review. Do not do that. You want to say, if you bought my book and you've left an honest review, send me the receipt. Let me know. Post the review in my email when you email me, and then I'll add you to the for example, a reviewer party group or something like that, right? Now, this is a really common marketing technique that many big companies and successful authors use, all right? So that's your bonus tip. Now, point number 4, and there's the final point. If you can, all right, try and do launch parties as well. This can be, virtually, like a Zoom meeting with people who signed up, or maybe just a YouTube or social media live stream like Facebook, Twitch, or wherever you're on, It could even be an in-person event, like a local library or a bookstore that's agreed to host you. Hopefully you get some sales there. Basically what you want to do is encourage your viewers, your audience, your fans to buy your book, right? You can even offer something of value if you like, maybe again like the giveaway suggestion from the previous points, so anyway, anyone who buys or reviews your books, maybe you add them to like a special list, and then at a later date, after the launch phase is complete, then you'll reach out to them individually, maybe something like that. You could even add them to like a separate email list if you like. Selling your first 100 books isn't easy, but it's achievable. Success is literally one sale at a time. Now, if you got a book or 2 published and you want to get reviews the legit way, click on this playlist right here, or check out this video that YouTube thinks is perfect for you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you there.